Changing your payout method on Luzerner Kantonalbank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Luzerner Kantonalbank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Ensure you have your authentication method ready, such as a mobile app or security token. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings section, find and click on payout methods or payment preferences. This will display your current payout options and allow you to make changes. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your new payout method, such as bank account details or payment service information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout method, review all details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes and log out of your account. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your payout method on Luzerner Kantonalbank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.